If a Trello card isn't updating, you might notice changes not saving, comments not appearing, or activity not syncing in real time. Yeah, this usually happens because of connection issues, browser problems, or temporary sync errors. But don't worry, in this quick guide, I'll show you several fixes that usually solve the problem. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Trello relies on a real-time connection to sync card updates instantly. Next, try refreshing the Trello page or restarting the app. This can resync your board and load the latest card updates. If updates still aren't showing, the issue might be on Trello's side. Occasionally, server outages can delay syncing and updates. If you're using Trello in a browser, clearing cache and cookies can help. Corrupted data may prevent changes from updating properly. Another possible cause is browser extensions. Some extensions can interfere with Trello's real-time updates and syncing. If the problem continues, try accessing Trello from another browser or device. This helps confirm whether the issue is specific to your current setup. And that's it. One of these fixes usually gets Trello cards updating normally again. If this helped you out, yeah, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more quick tech tutorials.